Hello my fellow riders. Last week I put up a post asking you what sort of videos you would like to see in the future, and somebody come up with the great idea of repairing a bike from junk. So I went out and I've bought this. This one is a Lexmoto Arizona 125cc. As you can see, it's been sitting in someone's garden for about 3 years, and we are going to do a couple of videos on me getting it ready for MOT. So we're going to have a look around it today so that you can see exactly what we're dealing with. And then we will go from there. As you can see, there's lots of moss on it. So I haven't touched this at all yet. Look at that big old bugger. This was his home. So this bike hasn't been started for at least 3 years, the person who I bought it off said, and it was working when he stopped using it. So the first thing you always do when you buy any sort of bike is check for compression. Now, what you do is you push down on the kickstart, and if there's some resistance, you know there is compression. The other thing you can do is take off the spark plug. Take out the spark plug, put your finger over the hole and press down as well. And you may be able to see whether it's got compression again. Obviously, it's not going to have any battery in it. It's been sitting for 3 years. So yeah, I will do some checks, see what we need to order to make it work as it should. But just before we go, I very much doubt it, but I'm going to try and kickstart it. I'm 99.9% sure that it's not going to work. Even the accelerator cable is stuck. As I suspected, it's not going to work. So we will have to sort out the exhaust. Obviously it's going to need a good old clean. We're going to have to change the oil, change the spark plug, sort out any rust issues. The centre stand hasn't been used in so long it is stuck. Fork seals actually look alright, so that is a bonus. What do you think? Comment below if you think that we're going to be able to get this working and get it to a stage where it is MOT-able. Stay tuned for the next episode of Can We Fix This Piece of Crap? As always, ride safe.